Alright, hello everybody, how are you all doing? So in today's video I figured, hey, I might show how I edit my videos and why pretty much Linux fits my needs perfectly for this, and how I was able to edit my videos in the past and what sort of editor I use. Please ignore this white theme, I'm going to change it soon to dark, so you might just have to bear with me on this one. But basically what I use is a utility called Kdenlive. It's a free piece of software available for Windows and Linux, and it uses FFmpeg to do all the things for you. It uses a bunch of libraries like the Qt library, KDE framework, and the XCBU windowing system. You don't need to understand what these mean, just it uses some cool utilities, and I figured, hey, when I show you how I edit my videos, what my process is, what I do, and pretty much I would start like with a blank slate, so it wouldn't have any of this. But all I would do is I would just, open up my file explorer here, and I will just go into my videos folder, and I'll just grab the footage which I have, which is right here. These 4 pieces of footage which I have. I think now I have only 3 pieces of footage. Oh yeah, here we go. These 3 pieces of footage are the ones that have been added to it. I'll just drag and drop them in here, and they are added to my project just like that. And then I go into my intro folder and I pick the new intro, drag that in, and that's pretty much it. Then I close my file explorer and I have just my editor open. Now what I do is I just drag my intro first, which if I zoom in on this, you'll be able to see this is in fact my intro. You can see over here, this is my intro. Then I add those clips in the order they actually have to be inserted in the video, one by one, cut them up based on what I need, and once they are cut up, in some videos I would sound really muffled or really like quiet essentially. So the way I would go about fixing this is I would select each and every clip, go into the effects section here, pick audio correction, and under audio correction I would pick volume keyframe or keyframeable. And what I do is I just drag and drop it in. Since I already have it in there, I'm not gonna do it. And then I just look over here at the audio level, which is the same computer. And once it's at the average of the yellow/green section here, I know it's at a right level, because most of my videos use the same level as they used on pretty much every other system. So I know this is the right level for me to keep it at, so I increase it by that. And the way I do it is I select a clip, drag this in, and increase it by a certain amount to achieve this effect. For me, in this video, which is going to come up after this, you will see that it will in fact have a +8, so you'll be able to hear me quite clearly. And that's pretty much it. I just cut them up using this cutting tool, and then remove them using this and press. Let's just press delete on this one. I'm gonna put it back real quick because I need it in there. But that's how I pretty much edit my videos. These are really simple styles of videos, and this is how I pretty much edit them. I record like multiple hours of footage. If it is multiple hours, I will record multiple hours of footage. So if you might have noticed in my folder here, it's a long-term project. I still haven't come across it, but you might notice these things here. These files are huge. They're like 2.2 gigs each. Well, this one is 1 gig, but still, these are like 4 gigs of just files, 4.3 gigs of just video footage. And I'm gonna go through this and edit it down to about 10 minutes, which is just me talking about my project and doing stuff, so I will overlay it with my audio and such. But this is a long-term project. You can expect it sometime in the future on my channel. And that's pretty much it. This has been a little bit of an insight into my workflow, and also what editor I use, since a few people might have been wondering what I use on a daily basis in terms of editing my videos. That's pretty much it. If you found this video interesting, also sometimes I would like throw in some music, but lately I haven't been doing that because I don't need to, because like why? I don't like use music that much. I use music only in the sections where I do not talk, because talking is really important for me to get my point across, so that's that. And I have a lot of storage on my computer, so I can edit these videos on my main workstation. So again, expect this video soon on YouTube, right after this one. And I will see you guys hopefully sometime in the future. Maybe it will be up tomorrow, but this one will be up today as I'm recording this. So just be patient. I just want to keep my channel alive a bit more, for a little bit longer. So yeah, I hope this video was interesting for you guys. Again, you can get this editor pretty much everywhere. It's free. You don't have to pay for this, and it fits my style of videos perfectly. So again, if you found this interesting, leave a like, or possibly even subscribe for more videos. I also may do a tutorial how to edit a video on a professional level, but I haven't gotten around making something like this, and that's why I decided to make that project with the Raspberry Pi, so I can really put my skills of editing to the test. So I can, condense it down to about a few minutes instead of like 6 to 7 hours of footage, if not even longer, of me just trying to get it to work. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next one. This was just a real short video. See ya!